Bible says, write the vision down. Habakkuk. Then Habakkuk 2 verse 2 and 3. Habakkuk 2 verse 2 and 3. He says, then the Lord answered me and said, write the vision and make it plain on tablets. Now, if you know, some in the olden years, they didn't have the book and pen. They wrote on tablets. So, make it plain on tablets that he may run who reads it. So sometimes when somebody writes a book, it's some sort of vision that the person has for the future, so that somebody else that comes after him must run with it. I don't know if that makes sense. So that he may run who reads it. For the vision is yet for an appointed time, but at the end of it, it will speak and it will not lie. So when you're talking about vision, sometimes it's also imperative that you don't rush when a vision comes. Because when a vision comes, you might just rush into it and get it wrongly.